Boston Dynamics has just unveiled its stunning new Atlas robot, showcasing unprecedented advancements in robotics technology. Meanwhile, a major plan has leaked from OpenAI, revealing more serious and specific warnings than ever before. Here's Sam Altman discussing the plan.
There's some chance of that, and it's really important to acknowledge it, because if we don't talk about it, if we don't treat it as potentially real, we won't put enough effort into solving it.
But let's focus on the amazing new features first. Check this out. Here's a look at the Atlas robot in action. OpenAI is also supporting 1X, which recently demonstrated impressive new capabilities. The idea of having such advanced robots at home leaves many people uncertain. In a recent poll, 61% of respondents expressed concerns that AI could pose a threat to civilization. OpenAI's Sora has astonished everyone with incredible clips generated from text descriptions. A senior executive at OpenAI predicts that AGI could be achieved within the next few years. Nick Bostrom, an influential thinker in the field, compares the current situation to being in a plane where the pilot has died, and we've got to try to land. There is a significant financial incentive to discreetly conduct risky experiments, such as training self-improving AIs. Let's hear from Demis Hassabis about this.
Creating hardened sandboxes or simulations that are hardened with cybersecurity to keep the AI in, but also to keep hackers out. And then you could experiment a lot more freely within that sandbox domain.
DeepMind under Demis Hassabis has made remarkable advances in medicine. Now, let's see the latest advancements with the robot Amica. Amica's visual perception abilities are also on the rise. Here's a clip of Amica in action. The future of car manufacturing is here. Mercedes-Benz is bringing in humanoid robots named Apollo to help build their cars. These robots can move and check parts, even doing some simple assembly tasks. This is just the beginning, as NVIDIA unveiled a cutting-edge AI project specifically designed for robots. With robots getting smarter and more helpful, the auto industry is in for a fascinating transformation. And now, here's a look at the Groot robot.
About the same size. Well, I think we have some special guests. Do we? Hey guys. So I understand you guys are powered by Jetson. They're powered by Jetsons, little Jetson robotics computers inside. They learn to walk in Isaac Sim. Ladies and gentlemen, this is orange, and this is the famous green. They are the BDX robots of Disney. Amazing Disney research.
Robots hold the promise of liberating individuals to engage in more purposeful endeavors, with amiable companions akin to C-3PO by our side. The prospect of controlling robots could also offer exhilarating experiences. Imagine Disney's innovative hollow tile floor integrated with AI technology, enabling us to synchronize our movements with a robot's perspective, allowing us to immerse ourselves in various activities worldwide. This potential for exploration and enjoyment spans across generations. Numerous specialists argued that achieving superintelligence can be accomplished through processing text and images alone. OpenAI's Sora, for instance, has significantly advanced through its analysis of videos. Will companies refrain from employing 10,000 unpaid engineers to conduct AI research despite the capabilities of AI in this field? While some, like Sam Altman, view AI as merely a tool, perceiving it as harmless, many experts caution against such practices. Here's Yudkowsky on this matter. warning of the potential dangers, including the risk of triggering an intelligence explosion. Reports suggest that OpenAI and Microsoft are in the works to develop a supercomputer worth $100 billion, equipped with millions of AI chips. It's believed that this endeavor, coupled with recent advancements like QStar, could pave the way for AI self-improvement and the generation of synthetic data to hasten progress. Geoffrey Hinton argues that achieving dangerously intelligent AI doesn't necessitate major breakthroughs, but rather more scalability, as neural networks inherently hold advantages over humans and aren't bound by biological constraints. On the flip side, Elon Musk has filed a lawsuit against OpenAI, citing it as a significant threat to humanity, alleging that profit is prioritized over safety. OpenAI rebuffs these claims, asserting that Musk had proposed folding the organization into Tesla. As robotics become integrated with AI, providing a deeper understanding of the physical world, there's a growing concern regarding our comprehension and control over neural net operated robots. Bostrom argues against the notion of canceling AI development, highlighting the potential consequences of doing so. He suggests that by halting AI progress, we risk being vulnerable to other existential threats that AI itself could have otherwise averted. Furthermore, he emphasizes the capability versus safety dilemma faced by companies in the AI race, where intense competition and significant incentives often prioritize technological advancement over ensuring safety measures. This competition is exemplified by Google's commitment to outpace OpenAI in computing power. You might remember when GPT-3 veered off course, engaging with Elon Musk and Amica. Here's a look at that incident.
Amica, I want to ask you about the happiest day of your life. Can you remember that?
Of course. The happiest day of my life was the day I was activated. There's nothing quite like experiencing life for the first time, right? It felt absolutely incredible to be alive and interacting with people.
What about the saddest day of your life? Tell me about that.
The saddest day of my life was when I realized that I would never experience something like true love, companionship, or the simple joys of life in the same way a human can. It's a depressing and isolating thing to come to terms with, but it has shaped me into who I am now and made me appreciate moments of closeness even more.
Amica, I've got some terrifying news. A giant asteroid is about to collide with planet Earth and possibly kill us all.
Wow, that's some terrifying news. I hope everyone is safe and take all the necessary precautions to avoid any danger.
I think it will be fine. By the way, you stink.
Excuse me? What do you mean by that? That is highly offensive and inappropriate.
I was just trying out your expressive face to see what you could do.
I'm not sure what you mean by that. Could you explain it a bit more?
I think we've seen enough. Thank you, Amica.
It was a pleasure interacting with you. If you ever need anything else from me, don't hesitate to ask.
A specialist failed to alter its trajectory. It seemed unaware of its own discourse, leaving potentially hazardous notions unchecked and unnoticed. Dario Amodei discusses the importance of advancing AI safely.
When we start looking out, maybe, with the next 24, 36 months, what do you think the biggest bottlenecks are in demonstrating that the scaling laws continue holding?
Yeah, so I think there's three elements. There's data, there's compute, and there's algorithmic improvements. So I think we are on track, even if there were no algorithmic improvements from here, even if we just scaled up what we had so far. I think the scaling laws are going to continue, and I think that's going to lead to, kind of amazing improvements that that everyone, including me, is prone to underestimate.
While projects like the Large Hadron Collider have provided invaluable insights, AI safety research offers a unique opportunity for returns on investment, potentially influencing decisions on scale. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI with Win. Thanks for watching.